The Asani 3-channel car dash cam provides comprehensive coverage with its ability to record the front, cabin, and rear of your vehicle. Featuring a 3-inch LCD screen, this dash cam offers real-time display and crucial footage in case of accidents for enhanced security. The front camera can record up to 4K in 2-channel mode and 2.5K in 3-channel mode, while the cabin and rear cameras deliver crisp 1080p full high definition enhanced by 6 infrared LEDs for superior night vision. The 3-channel setup functions as a reliable parked car security camera, offering continuous 1 frame per second time-lapse mode or collision-triggered G-sensor mode for added confidence in your vehicle's safety. Integrated Wi-Fi and GPS allow for effortless wireless monitoring, editing, and video sharing through dedicated iOS and Android apps, making it a dependable car tracker. Unlike other dash cams, the Asani model boasts a dual-core processor, Type-C power supply, and efficient supercapacitors, ensuring no freezing or lagging issues.